Hello there and welcome to this particular mini test for GCSE. Here you've got quite a few mental arithmetic type of questions as well as algebraic questions as well. So do try your best. If you want to do it mentally, by all means do so. And if you want to do any working out, please do so, but do not use a calculator. Let's have a look at question 7 as just an example. This question is all about ratio. So it says share £80 in the ratio 3:5. So first of all, let's add up the two ratio numbers here, the proportions here. So 5 add 3 is 8. So what we're going to do here is do 80 divided by the total number of the ratios is 8 times by the first number, which is 3. And we'll do the same thing again, 80 divided by 8 times by the second number 5 to give us the answers here. 80 divided by 8, so which is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. Again, 80 divided by 8 is 10, and 10 times 5 is 50. So all in all, if we were to apply these particular ratios in terms of pounds, it will be 30 pounds to 50 pounds altogether, and that will be our correct ratio proportion that we're working out in terms of pounds. So good luck with the rest of the questions, and like usual, we'll follow these up in our next lesson. Thank you.